What is up, guys? Andrew here, and welcome to Comicbooker. All things comics from a creator. It is 8 a.m. here in New York. I got up a couple of hours ago and just started drawing. I'm on page 6 of Secret Heart Attack, issue 2. Inking it. I'm just thinking, because when you're inking, you're not really, you're not thinking too hard. You're sort of like, I feel like you're surrendering yourself to doing. I mean, usually, unless there's something you have to draw, like really thoughtfully, but like usually, you just are, and you just flow. Which is kind of good because, honestly, like one of the things I've been thinking about is, ever since late last year, I've been in a rut. This is not the first time this has happened. Like feeling like I'm in a rut. I know I'm in a rut when I'm doing like a ton of video games. And when I'm sleeping late and waking up a little late. When my workout and like my schedule is generally more inconsistent. And when I keep starting and restarting pages. Same thing for videos. Which is why it's been kinda quiet lately, because, you know, I just haven't been finishing anything. In the past, when I've been in ruts, it's one of those things where I've just surrendered to the feeling of a rut. Let yourself go. But as I'm getting older, I feel like that's less and less of a healthy response. Not just physically, but like mentally. Because if you give in to your base desires to just laze about, do nothing, and you know that it's good to do that once in a while, but like if you give in consistently, it starts to become a habit, and it starts to become like what your life is built around. And I don't want that. I want my comics to be like the center of my life. Do you know what I mean? Which means I do want to wake up every day and just make comics. So I guess like what I'm doing right now is I'm just pretending. I just sort of surrender to the motion and action. I wake up and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna work on my comics page, and I'm just gonna pretend. I'm gonna pretend I'm excited about it. I'm gonna pretend I'm into it. And you know what I've found? Just these past couple of days that I've been doing this. It hasn't been that long since I snapped out of it. But when you pretend, it doesn't actually stay pretend for long. It turns into the real thing. Like I've been drawing this page for a couple of hours now, and I'm just in the zone now. And I guess that's the rub, right? Sometimes the cart does go before the horse. It's like they say, sometimes you just have to smile in order to feel happy. And it's not necessarily an intrinsic thing, but sometimes the extrinsic leads to an intrinsic effect, if that makes any sense. Anyway, that's my that's my random morning ramble as I'm working on this page. Good morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next page.